Welcome to our channel. If you are a woodworking enthusiast or a professional carpenter looking for the perfect tool to take your craft to the next level, then stick around because today we're diving into the best JET bandsaws on the market. Whether you need a compact machine for intricate cuts or a heavy-duty powerhouse for large-scale projects, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be reviewing the JET 10-inch woodworking bandsaw with stand, the JET 14-inch woodworking bandsaw, the JET 708115K JWBS-14CS 14-inch, and the ultimate JET JWBS-15 1.75 horsepower bandsaw. These bandsaws are highly rated for their precision, durability, and power, making them essential for any woodworking project. But wait, here is more. If any of these tools catch your eye, we've added direct links in the description box and the first comment so you can shop with ease. Don't miss out on these top-notch machines. And if you enjoy videos about tools and woodworking tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's dive right in. JET 10-inch woodworking bandsaw with stand. If you are starting out or have limited space, the JET 10-inch woodworking bandsaw with stand is a perfect fit. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller workshops, yet it doesn't compromise on performance. Powered by a 1/2 horsepower motor, it handles softwoods and smaller hardwood pieces effortlessly. The durable cast iron table offers stability, and its adjustable cutting angles allow for precise work on intricate designs. This bandsaw also features a built-in stand for added convenience and an easy-to-use tension adjustment system, making blade changes quick and hassle-free. Whether you are crafting furniture or working on DIY projects, this tool delivers clean, smooth cuts. Want to learn more? Check the link in the description to explore pricing and reviews. JET 14-inch woodworking bandsaw. For those ready to step up their game, the JET 14-inch woodworking bandsaw is a versatile option that combines power and precision. With a 1-horsepower motor and a larger cutting capacity, it's perfect for tackling medium to heavy-duty woodworking projects. The sturdy cast iron frame minimizes vibrations, ensuring your cuts remain clean and accurate. One of its standout features is the tilting table, which supports angled cuts for creative woodworking projects. Plus, it's designed for easy maintenance with a quick blade tension release and a user-friendly guide system. If you want a reliable machine for both professional and personal use, this is your go-to. Check the description below for all the details. JET 708115K JWBS-14CS 14-inch bandsaw. Looking for something robust and professional? The JET 708115K JWBS-14CS stands out with its powerful 1.25 horsepower motor and durable construction. This bandsaw is built for heavy-duty tasks, easily slicing through thick hardwoods with precision. Its ball-bearing blade guides ensure smooth and consistent cuts, while the integrated dust collection port keeps your workspace clean and efficient. The table provides plenty of space for large workpieces, and the tension system makes blade changes a breeze. If you are serious about woodworking, this machine is worth the investment. Don't just take our word for it, click the link in the description to check it out yourself. JET JWBS-15 1.75 horsepower bandsaw. Finally, we have the powerhouse of the lineup, the JET JWBS-15 1.75 horsepower bandsaw. This high-performance tool is designed for professional woodworkers who demand precision and power. With a massive cutting capacity and a robust 1.75 horsepower motor, it effortlessly handles the toughest hardwoods and the largest projects. Its quick-release blade tension system saves you time, while the sturdy design ensures stability even during heavy use. Whether you are creating intricate furniture or cutting thick logs, this bandsaw delivers unparalleled performance. If you are looking for the best of the best, this is it. Check the description below to grab yours today. And that wraps up our review of the best JET bandsaws. From compact options like the JET 10-inch bandsaw to heavy-duty machines like the JET JWBS-15, here is a tool for every type of woodworker. Investing in a quality bandsaw can make all the difference in your woodworking projects. and these JET models are some of the best in the business. If you are ready to take your woodworking to the next level, don't forget to check the description box and the first comment for links to these amazing products. Your next project is just a click away. Before you go, let us know in the comments. Which bandsaw are you most excited about? Or do you have a favorite woodworking tool you'd like us to review next? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.